The hidden story of a pencil. From graphite to your desk, have you ever wondered how a simple pencil is made? It may look like one of the simplest tools in the world, but behind every pencil is an incredible manufacturing process involving mining, engineering, precision machinery, and quality control. And here's something that surprises most people, despite its name. A pencil doesn't actually contain lead. The dark core inside is made from graphite, a natural form of carbon. The term lead pencil has existed for hundreds of years, but no real lead is used in modern pencils. So where does a pencil begin? Everything starts deep underground. Large graphite deposits are mined from the Earth's surface and transported to processing facilities. There, the raw graphite is crushed into an extremely fine powder, but graphite alone isn't enough. Manufacturers mix graphite with clay and water to create a smooth paste. The ratio of graphite to clay determines how the pencil writes. More graphite creates darker, softer lines, while more clay produces harder, lighter marks. This is why pencils have different grades like HB, 2B, or H. Once the mixture is ready, it's forced through tiny metal openings under high pressure, creating long, thin rods that will eventually become the pencil's writing core. These fragile rods are then dried and baked in high-temperature furnaces. The heating process strengthens the graphite and improves its writing performance. Some manufacturers even coat the cores with wax or oils, allowing the pencil to glide more smoothly across paper. While the graphite cores are being prepared, another important part of the pencil is also taking shape, the wooden body. Most high-quality pencils are made from cedar wood because it's lightweight, durable, and easy to sharpen without splintering. Large cedar boards are carefully cut into thin wooden slats. Machines carve long grooves into each slat, creating perfect channels for the graphite cores. The graphite rods are placed inside these grooves with incredible precision. Another grooved wooden slat is glued on top, creating what looks like a wooden sandwich. After the glue dries, powerful cutting machines slice the block into individual pencils. Depending on the design, the pencils are shaped into round hexagonal or triangular forms. Next comes sanding and painting. The rough wooden surface is polished until perfectly smooth. Several layers of colorful paint and protective coating are applied, giving the pencil its familiar appearance while protecting the wood from moisture and wear. The brand name, logo, and pencil grade are then printed using high-speed stamping or laser printing machines. If the pencil includes an eraser, a small aluminum ferrule is attached to one end before the eraser is inserted securely into place. Before any pencil reaches a store, it must pass strict quality inspections. Manufacturers test the strength of the graphite core, check for cracks, inspect the paint, and ensure every pencil writes smoothly. Only pencils that meet these standards continue to the packaging stage. Finally, they're packed into boxes, shipped to warehouses, delivered to stores, and eventually end up in classrooms, offices, and homes around the world. The next time you pick up a pencil, remember, what seems like a simple writing tool is actually the result of mining, engineering, skilled craftsmanship, and advanced manufacturing. A pencil may look ordinary, but behind it lies an extraordinary journey. Follow for more How It Was Created videos.